Click on the link below to get price. The industrial sewing machine Juki DDL-8100 Lockstitch Servo motor plus table stand is a product designed for those who require a reliable and efficient sewing solution. Renowned for its robust construction and high performance, this machine is particularly suitable for various sewing tasks, ranging from garment making to heavy fabric applications. At first glance, the Juki DDL-8100 presents a solid and well-engineered design. It boasts a sleek profile that is typical of industrial machines, which often prioritize function over aesthetics. This model is equipped with a servo motor that is known for its energy efficiency and quiet operation compared to traditional motors. This aspect can be particularly beneficial in environments where noise reduction is essential. One of the standout features of the Juki DDL-8100 is its lockstitch capability, which is fundamental for producing strong and durable seams. The machine is capable of sewing at impressive speeds, making it a suitable choice for those who need to complete projects in a timely manner. Additionally, the adjustable stitch length allows users to customize their sewing according to the fabric type and project requirements. The table stand that accompanies the Juki DDL-8100 further enhances its usability. This stand is designed to provide stability and support during operation, ensuring that the machine remains secure while in use. The adjustable height feature is another practical aspect, as it allows users to tailor the setup to their own comfort levels, promoting a more ergonomic working environment. In terms of usage, the Juki DDL-8100 is generally straightforward to operate, especially for those who possess some experience with industrial sewing machines. It features a user-friendly threading mechanism and an easy-to-access bobbin case, allowing for smooth and efficient threading. The machine is also compatible with a variety of presser feet, enhancing its versatility for different sewing applications. In conclusion, the industrial sewing machine Juki DDL-8100 Lockstitch Servo motor plus table stand is a thoughtfully designed piece of equipment that caters to the needs of serious sewists. Its combination of speed, efficiency, and robust construction makes it well-suited for various industrial sewing applications. The ergonomic table stand and user-friendly features further contribute to a positive sewing experience, making it a noteworthy option for those in search of a dependable industrial machine.